This is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can factorize quadratic expression and make it dynamic using the Microsoft Word. And you can do it in your classroom just to change your question and to change the answer of the quadratic expression when you are asked to factorize it. So let's go straight to it now. This is FFX. This is what you need to have in your Microsoft for you to be able to do it and make it easy for you. And make sure you open FX draw and FX equation down, just like what I have here. This is FX equation, and this is FX draw. Make sure you open it down before you start the factorization and to make it dynamic. To start, let me show you the format of what I want you to know. Open your FX equation, just tap on it, it will open. Then this is what I want to do. So I have a quadratic expression of this kind. Let's say ax plus b. Then I have this, which is let's say cx plus d. So this is the factor I'm trying to achieve. So if I open this bracket, for example, if I expand this bracket, what I will have something like ac x squared, something like this. Then I'll have ax and d, which is a dx. Then I will have let me put addition here. Then I will have my class bcx. Then the last term will now be b and d. Then if I go down finally to put it in quadratic format, it will be acx squared plus, then let's put this in brackets, which is a, okay, let's go back, which is ad plus bc, then put the x here, then plus bd. So this is how I'm going to define my parameter. I will define my parameter in this form, then I will now put it in this order. Let's define our parameter. So this is where we get our edit parameter. You can see it, edit dynamic parameter. So this is where you do that. Just click on it. Then I have three letters here, A, B, C, D. Let me define them. You just need to use this $sign, shift and 4 in your keyboard. You get your $sign. Then put A, tell it equals to, type your range. So we pick a value between, let me use minus 10, comma to 10. So minus 10 to positive 10. Let me copy it, then paste it on the down, then define this one to be B. Then I'll define the next to be C. Then define the last one to be D. Alright, so now I have my four parameters being defined, A, B, C, D. You must introduce your $sign before the letter when defining parameter. And I want to pick my numbers between minus 10 to 10. This is the range I want to use in my quadratic expression that I'll put in my Microsoft Word, and tap on OK. Alright, so what I have now is, let me start with the quadratic expression. If I say ax, that means if I type in my $sign and a, you see the value of a is out. If I tap on this, generate parameter, you see it will change. So it change to positive 3. So this is the dynamic nature we are talking about. As you keep tapping on generate, it will be changing it. You can see it. So this is 4. So let's move on. So I want to start with this now. So A is this, C is A is $sign C. You see, but I want them to be product. So I will use this curly bracket. You can see it in your keyboard. Use the curly bracket, which is a alpha sign, $sign A and $sign C. So I have it here. Then in front of it, I put my x squared. So this is my first term. Then the bracket I have here, which is a plus now. Then make sure you open and close your bracket. Then put this symbol. Then I have my $sign A, then $sign B. Take note of that. Then make sure you cover it up with this so that it will give you the product. So that is one. Then I'm not through yet. I keep on going. Plus, then I have the $sign B and the $sign C. You must take time to check it. Let me correct this. Okay, so BC, then this is AT, then we have this, alright. Then put your X in the front. Then the last expression, which is plus the $sign B and the $sign C. Then also put it in the curly bracket. Make sure all you are doing, make sure you put it in the curly bracket. It's very, very important. We shall check our result when we enter the Microsoft Word. But let me just confirm this is AC. So which is AC. Make sure you put it in this curly bracket for product. Then this is AD, which is A and D now, plus BC, then BC, then add them, put them in this curly bracket. Then before you attach X to it, then plus BD now. Then make sure you put it in the curly bracket. So with this, we are good to go. Then let me just put in my product, which is the factor now. Let's put in the factor. The factor is $sign A for this first one. Then put your X there. Then plus the $sign B. That is this. Then we are through with that. Let's open and close the bracket. Then this is the C. I have my $sign C, then X, then plus the $sign B. So this is factor, and we have when factorizing this expression. So let me check again to avoid mistakes. Cx plus D correct, then alpha Ax plus B correct. So now that I have this, I can let me delete this. I don't need this. Delete this. Then let me copy this. I don't need this for now. I'll need it later. Or let me just cut it. So I cut it off. So this is all I need. This is all I need for now. Then tap it down. Okay, you come to your Microsoft Word. Alright, so if you have a question like this in your classroom, you said factorize this. So this is the work you want to factorize. So you say factorize this. How do you do that? Let's come down. So you say answer is, then let me create another equation for that. So remember I copied it, I cut it before, I'll paste it here. So this is going to be the answer. Then you tap. If you notice, the answer is not coming out in terms of numbers. So all I need to do, I need to copy this. Just click on this. You see copy parameters, then click on this, paste it there. See new parameter applied to object, you tap on OK. So they are there now. So if you check this, you expand this bracket, you see this is the answer it will give. 4x times minus 10x is minus 40x, then minus 2 times minus 7 is plus 14. If you add the other one, which is 8 minus 8 and minus 8x, then you check plus 70. So minus 8x plus 70 to give you that. Let me check again. Yes, it's correct. So minus 8 plus 70 is plus 62. So if you factorize this, you are going to get this answer. So now, what do I mean by dynamic now? If I tap on this expression, just tap on it, click on regenerate. See, it has updated now. So, okay, I need to save it. Okay, let me save it to my document. You must save the work before you do any dynamic work. So let me say factorize quadratic. Just save it as this, and I'm saving it in my document. So factorize quadratic. So I've saved it. You see, it will change the expression for us after it has done the update. So you see it has done the update. So this is the new update now, which is 6x squared minus 54. So if you factorize 6x squared minus 54, this is the result you will get. If you check it, you will see it will be correct. Let me see. 3x times minus 6, this will give us minus 18, which is correct. And 9 times 2x is plus 18. That's why there's no second term here. The term of the x is disappeared. So it's correct. If you factorize this, you will get this as a result. So just keep on tapping this. Click on regenerate. It will change the question for you. So that is what I mean by dynamic way of factorizing and a quadratic expression in the Microsoft Word. You see another question has come out. Factorize this, it will give you this as a result. Just tap on it, regenerate. Just keep doing it like this. So this is the dynamic nature I mean by factorizing a quadratic expression using Microsoft Word dynamically. So this is all I have for this video. To keep changing it, just keep clicking on generate. You see it will change the question for you and you get what you want. So that is all for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do have a nice day.